Hello everybody, Matt Stewart here from Entrepreneur Me, and I'm really excited to send this message to you. On Friday the 15th of November, I and my colleague Lisa will be in the Oasis Don Valley Primary School running our Enterprise is the Business workshop. We're very grateful to UK Steel Enterprise for providing us with some funding to enable us to work in South Yorkshire schools. And as part of that funding, we are coming on Global Entrepreneurship Week. Now, can you believe it? Now, you've probably never heard of Global Entrepreneurship Week, or maybe you have, but it's a really exciting week that celebrates entrepreneurship and enterprise, and lots of activities take place all over the world. And it's really exciting that my organisation, Entrepreneur Me, are going to be in Sheffield on the final day of that fantastic week. Now, my company Entrepreneur Me, we've been working with schools for quite a number of years. And as I say, to get funding from UK Steel to help us to work in South Yorkshire is an absolute joy. The young people at Oasis Don Valley Primary School, Year 5 and Year 6, 120 of them are going to become entrepreneurs for the day. We're going to give them a little bit of money, £25, and that money is going to be like their startup loan money. And they're going to start a company. They're going to be busy trading. They're going to make some things. They'll be working in a team of 8, and they'll look at their own strengths and skills, and they will apply for a job. So we'll have the managing director, we'll have the salesperson, we'll have the finance manager, the quality controller. We'll have lots of jobs, and the young people will take their £25, they'll buy materials, they will bring their materials back to their table, we'll call that their factory, and they will be making different products, and then they will go and they will endeavour to sell them to a panel of buyers. That might be you, and if they succeed in selling them, they'll get paid with a cheque, and they'll take the finance manager will take the cheque to the bank, and they'll cash the cheque, and the bank may charge them. The banker might be you, and they'll take the cheque to the bank and they'll cash it and they'll get more money and they'll keep on trading, and they will learn about business, they'll learn about jobs, they'll learn about profit, they'll learn about teamwork, they'll learn about positive mindset, they'll learn about resilience, and they will learn about entrepreneurship, and they'll grow their business. And who knows, by the end of the day, the young people may take their £25 and they might make a profit. We'll see. Now, the day's not all sweetness and light for the young people, Year 5 and Year 6. We endeavour to make the day a bit challenging for them. So there's hurdles for the young people to overcome. We've got the Get Rich Quick scheme. I won't tell you about that at the moment. Brilliant. The young people have got taxation to deal with. They've got charity donations for their business if they so wish. They've got loads of little hurdles to overcome whilst they're making and selling and, trading. And just like business and life, lots of little hurdles to overcome. But I'd love you to come along. Wouldn't it be great? Oasis Don Valley in Sheffield. Maybe you're local to the school. Maybe you're a business partner to the school. Maybe you're a parent of a kid that's at the school and you want to come along. Well, if you do, there's lots of jobs for you to do. Maybe you could be one of our buyers. Maybe you could work in the bank. Maybe you could be a shopkeeper. Or maybe you could be the head of productivity. I'll tell you about that when I see you. Or maybe you could work for the tax department. Or you could be a charity collector, perhaps. But it would be great to see you along. You'll love it. There's lots of fun, lots of support. I'm fully there, Lisa's fully there, and we will work with you to get the job that you want to do and support the young people in their learning. And I hope you can come along. If you can contact the school, obviously, Oasis Don Valley. We're there Friday the 15th of November. You could contact me, and Entrepreneur Me is the name of my company. We're on social media, Twitter, Instagram at Entrepreneur Me. I'm on LinkedIn, Matt Stewart, Chief Executive of Entrepreneur Me, and come along, you'll love it. It's fantastic. We're going to be encouraging enterprise and entrepreneurship in Sheffield on Friday, the 15th of November, and I hope to see you in school. Hello everybody, Matt Stewart here from Entrepreneur Me, and I'm